This is what it looks like before. And this is what it looks like after. Same ring. I filled those waves with the ocean. And I'm going to show you exactly how. Let's talk, create, and explore the quiet power of making things. I'm Ellen. Welcome to Sawdust and Friends, Carved from Life. This is a titanium ocean wave ring, size 7.5. The ring core is already made, carved, shaped, polished. That satin finish on the body and the carved channel are where the waves live. Pick it up and it surprises you because titanium looks heavy. It looks like it should weigh something, and it's almost nothing in your hand. The things that look the hardest to carry sometimes carry the least weight. I think about that a lot. When I look at this ring core, I feel inspired because I could fill this with anything. Rainbow resin, fire colors, deep forest green, whatever I want. The ring core is always the same. The waves are always there. But what I put into them, that's entirely up to me. And no matter how many of these rings I make, every single one will always be one of a kind, just like you. Today, I'm filling the ring with ocean. This is ocean blue metallic powder. Deep, almost electric. It goes in first, so you don't see the silver of the titanium through the opal. It's the foundation, the deep water underneath everything. Tiffany blue crushed opal. It's a medium crush, that soft, clear blue that makes you think of shallow water, of light coming through from above. And this, ocean blue opal. Blues and purples and deep blues. Every color the ocean has ever been. All of it going into these waves. So we mount the ring on the mandrel. First, the mica powder. We set it in the channel so the deep blue foundation is there, waiting for the opal to come. Then the opal. The ocean blue first. And Tiffany blue. Layer after layer after layer. And the glue, sealing each layer, building towards something solid, building towards something permanent. You can't rush this part. The ocean took millions of years to become what it is. We can take a few extra minutes. Once the glue sets, we sand, bringing the opal flush with the surface of the ring. And as we sand, the colors start to show themselves. The Tiffany blue, the deep ocean blue, the purples hiding in between. Like looking down into a deep water and seeing light. And then the polish. Micro Magic 1, 2, and 3. Then we place the scratch-resistant polish on. Look at that. Ocean blue metallic mica glowing underneath. Tiffany blue, opal catching the light. Ocean blue, blues and purples and deep blues. All of it alive in those carved waves. I filled the waves with the ocean, and it will never look exactly like this again. So this ring is going on the website. Someone is going to buy it, and someone is going to wear it every single day. And they're going to be wearing something that has never existed before. Because I could make this ring again. Same core, same waves, same mica, same opal, and it would never be the same. Every single time, one of a kind. Just like every person who will ever wear it. What they fill themselves with, what colors they choose, what they pour into the waves of their life, that is entirely up to them. And it will always, always be a one of a kind. So that's episode 11 of Sawdust and Friends. Thank you for being here. This ring is available on my website, link in the description below. I'll see you in the shop. Stay curious, keep creating, and remember, the most important thing you will ever create is your life.